You know full well I love these motors, but you need to kind of protect them from the rain, and I oftentimes neglect it.
Is always make sure that the engine is at top dead center. And that right there, that first pull past that first little nib will have the engine at top dead center. That means both valves are closed down in here so water can't get down into the engine. Okay, number 2 is always put some sort of a bag over the PCV vent here and the air filter. At the very least, do that. At least you won't have water getting into the engine because you have a wet air filter. The good thing is these gas tanks are lipped so that the water will flow down and off and away instead of getting down into the tank. So that's pretty good. The only thing here is this. What I would do is do what a lot of dirt bike guys do, is I would get a fuel hose and run it down so that it runs down here, or maybe things can drip down instead of, perhaps if you had some sideways rain or you're driving down the highway, you know, perhaps water could get in there. Okay, so beyond that, the next level of protection is to get you a little garbage bag like this, something like that, and put it over here. That's one of the negatives about having these big long performance, see, that doesn't fit, but as you can see, just get you a bigger one. These are just little trash bags, but get you like a 13-gallon kitchen trash bag or something bigger, and you can cover the entire engine here and tie it off here onto the right side handle or whatever side your engine's on. When I'm on the highway, I don't like having something on the engine like this because I'm afraid that it'll fly off and hit another car, get into their radiator, and you know, you don't want to cause a hazard on the highway. That would be the ultimate level of protection. Get you some sort of a wash tub or anything that will hard, put it on, and I very rarely had this even blow off in really hard winds, and so now you have a lot of protection. The bag on the air filter, the bag around the engine itself, and something like this. That is a great way to keep your engine safe. So go and do that, and keep your engines, take care of your engines, and they'll take care of you out there on the water. See ya.